In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to Pandadoc. To get started, sign in to Pandadoc and open the document or template where you want to bring in a file from OneDrive. This can be a contract, a proposal, or any template you are building. The important part is that you are inside the editor with your content area visible. Next, decide where the OneDrive file should go. If you are adding something new, look for the Add Content button with the plus icon. Click that to insert new content into your document. If you already have an image block or a file block on the page, you can also click directly on that existing block instead. Either option will take you to the same place, which is the Upload and Import menu. After you click the plus icon or select the block, a small pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, choose Upload. This opens the Upload window where you can choose different sources for your file. In the Upload window, focus on the left sidebar. You will see various options, including a OneDrive icon that looks like a blue cloud. Click that OneDrive icon to switch the upload source to OneDrive. At this point, Pandadoc will prompt you to connect your OneDrive account. Click Connect. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear, and you will sign in with your Microsoft account. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete those approval steps as required. Also, pay attention to any permission prompts, since Pandadoc may ask for access to view files so it can import them into your document. Once you are connected, you will be able to browse your OneDrive files and folders. Navigate to the file you want to use, select it, and then click Open. Pandadoc will import that file into your document in the spot you selected. Give the upload a moment to finish, especially for larger files. After it appears, you can continue editing and arranging your document as needed. And that is all there is to it.